Alright, we're in the ice hut. Main ingredient is beer. See, there ain't no fish in the bucket yet. Fishing pole, right there's a hole. There's one hole. There's another hole. See there?
Master fisherman.
Master fisherman.
My baiter over here.
There's his setup. There's his hole. Every now and then he catches one. And as you see, we got cheese, crackers, peanuts, and beer.
Something else too.
The lantern for heat.
I think it's chilling down some.
Oh. See out the window here? And of course, got to have the flask. Thank you, buddy. Good stuff. Keep it cold by sitting it outside.
Fridge.
Fridge. That does. There's fish in there now.
You can see it on the screen.